In a twist that reads like a script from a legal drama, the Fulton County District Attorney's Office has made headlines in a case that could very well be a cornerstone in American legal history. At the center of this unfolding saga is Fani Willis, Fulton County's district attorney, who finds herself embroiled in a complex case against former President Donald Trump and 14 other defendants over attempts to overturn the 2020 election results in Georgia. The plot thickened when Nathan Wade, Willis's top special prosecutor in the case, was forced to resign. This move came after a ruling by Fulton Superior Judge Scott McAfee highlighting a potential conflict of interest due to a romantic relationship between Willis and Wade. This relationship, according to McAfee, cast a shadow over the case, creating an unnecessary perception of bias. The decision to have Wade step aside was crucial in allowing Willis to remain at the helm of the case, steering it back on course towards a trial. This case is not just any legal battle. It's a narrative interwoven with allegations of election interference with the former president at the eye of the storm. Willis, the first black woman to be elected district attorney in Fulton County, has been known for her sharp legal acumen and her use of Georgia's racketeering law to untangle complex criminal networks. Her office's indictment last August, following months of meticulous investigation, laid bare the efforts by Trump and his allies to subvert the results of Georgia's 2020 election. These efforts allegedly included pressuring state officials, orchestrating a slate of false electors, and even tampering with voting equipment. The courtroom has been a battleground of dramatic testimonies and legal wrangling, especially with allegations against Willis that threatened to derail the case. At one point, former Trump campaign official Mikhail Roman accused Willis of profiting from the case through luxurious vacations with Wade, funded by his case compensation. Willis and Wade countered these claims, asserting that Willis either paid her own way or reimbursed Wade in cash. The evidentiary hearings brought personal details into the harsh light of the courtroom, at times intensifying tensions to the point where a recess was needed. Yet, Judge McAfee found no evidence that Willis' relationship with Wade influenced her professional judgment or the direction of the case. Despite this, the specter of conflict of interest loomed large, pushing McAfee to underscore the paramount standard of conduct expected from prosecutors. They must not only seek justice, but do so without even the appearance of impropriety, striking hard but fair blows in their quest to uphold the law. The ruling by McAfee, a relatively new judge appointed by Republican Governor Brian Kemp, underscores the complexity and sensitivity of prosecuting high-profile cases involving figures like a former president. With McAfee at the helm, the courtroom has navigated these tumultuous waters with an even-keeled approach, balancing the legal intricacies with the public's keen interest. As the case moves forward, potential jurors and the public alike are watching closely, their perceptions undoubtedly influenced by the unfolding drama. The legal battle ahead promises to be a defining moment, not just for the individuals involved, but for the integrity of the electoral process and the rule of law in America. While Willis remains steadfast, the challenges are far from over. Georgia Republicans have launched investigations into her conduct, and the case's high stakes are matched only by the intense scrutiny it faces. As this legal odyssey unfolds, one thing is clear: the path to justice is fraught with obstacles, but also with the potential for historic accountability. The stage is set in Georgia, where the integrity of the American electoral process is under the microscope. Fani Willis, a figure of resilience and legal prowess, spearheads a case that could etch its mark on history. Willis's journey, marked by determination and scrutiny, unfolds against the backdrop of the tumultuous aftermath of the 2020 election. Her role, pioneering yet fraught with challenges, embodies the relentless pursuit of justice against formidable opposition. The case itself, a labyrinth of legal maneuverings, delves into the heart of democracy. It's not merely about the alleged actions taken to sway election results, it's a testament to the enduring battle for truth and accountability. The indictment, a sweeping narrative of conspiracy and coercion, paints a stark picture of the lengths to which individuals are accused of going to undermine the will of the voters. Nathan Wade's resignation, a pivotal moment in this saga, symbolizes the intricate balance of ethics and duty. This development, dictated by the quest for an unbiased pursuit of justice, underscores the critical importance of perception in the legal process. The specter of a conflict of interest, regardless of its actual impact on the case, poses a potent threat to the credibility and impartiality essential in the courtroom. Amidst this legal tumult, the characters involved are scrutinized under the public eye. Willis, in her dual role as a legal luminary and a central figure in the controversy, embodies the principle that the pursuit of justice must be untainted by personal interests. Her actions, dissected in the courtroom and the court of public opinion, reflect the immense pressures faced by those in the legal arena. The narrative is further complicated by accusations of misconduct and personal gain, casting shadows of doubt and intrigue. These allegations, whether founded or unfounded, introduce a layer of drama reminiscent of the most captivating legal thrillers. The defense's claims and the prosecution's rebuttals weave a complex tapestry of legal strategy and ethical considerations. Judge McAfee emerges as a guardian of judicial integrity, his decisions shaping the course of this high-stakes legal battle. His rulings reflect not only on the case at hand but also on the broader principles of justice and the rule of law. McAfee's approach, balancing firmness with fairness, highlights the profound responsibilities shouldered by those who preside over our courts. As this saga unfolds, its ramifications ripple beyond the courtroom. The political landscape, already fraught with division and discord, watches closely as the case progresses. The implications for future elections, for the sanctity of the voting process, and for the very fabric of American democracy are profound. The unfolding drama in Georgia is more than a legal battle. It's a mirror reflecting the challenges facing our democracy. It's a reminder of the fragile balance between power and principle, between winning at all costs and upholding the values that define us. As Willis, McAfee, Trump, and others navigate this tumultuous journey, the world watches, awaiting the verdict not just on the defendants, but on the resilience of justice in the face of adversity. In essence, this case transcends the individuals involved, becoming a symbol of the enduring quest for truth, accountability, and the rule of law. It's a narrative rich with lessons about the importance of integrity, the complexities of justice, and the relentless pursuit of fairness in the face of daunting challenges. As this chapter in American legal history unfolds, it will undoubtedly leave a lasting imprint on the annals of justice and democracy.